It's been over a year since I got the Amazon Prime Rewards Visa Signature credit card issued by Chase. I waited this long so I could share with you any additional perks that this card can come with that is not easily known from the website. But starting off with the key details that you should know, it's a no annual fee card and it has no foreign transaction fees, which is really nice to see on a no annual fee card. Additionally, it's a metal card. It has the same construction as the Chase Sapphire Preferred or Reserve card, which are Chase's top-of-the-line travel cards, so it's really interesting to see that this no annual fee card has that same construction. It also features a really easy-to-get sign-up bonus, which is usually an instantaneous Amazon gift card ranging between $50 to $150 directly added to your Amazon account once you get approved. Even though the sign-up bonus is considered a low-hanging fruit to get this card, but you want to keep this card long-term is because of the cashback earnings. Primarily, it gets 5% back at Amazon and Whole Foods, unlimited, as long as you have an Amazon Prime membership. Otherwise, that would be down to 3% back at Amazon and Whole Foods. And just as an anecdotal experience, you definitely want to make sure that you maintain your Prime membership to keep that 5%, because at one point I didn't auto-renew my membership, and then within a few days I got an email saying that my rate was reduced to 3%. So something to keep in mind if you have the membership from, say, month to month or something that's not consistent. The cashback earnings at Amazon and Whole Foods is really the primary reason to get this card, but in addition, it does offer 2% back at restaurants, gas stations, and drugstores, and 1% back at everywhere else. I do want to point out that there is a Whole Foods version of this card that has the same cashback earnings. It just looks a little different. You're able to monitor your purchase and reward activities on Chase's website or mobile app, which is really easy to use. It has several redemption options, but none of which is particularly noteworthy. The best way to go is definitely cashback, where the points are worth 1 cent per point, and you can redeem as little as 1 cent. You can also use it towards travel, gift cards, and also Amazon purchases using Shop with Points, but I wouldn't really advise those methods of redemption. It is on the Visa network, so it's widely accepted pretty much everywhere in the US where credit cards are accepted. And because it is issued by Chase, you do get Chase's pretty good customer service and their free credit score monitoring in their app or website via VantageScore for Experian. And of course, it comes with the typical credit card protections these days, like purchase protection, fraud protection, added to your digital wallets, use it for contactless payments. It also has a couple other benefits courtesy of Visa Signature, but those do change from time to time, so I will refer you to their latest terms and conditions on their website. In addition to those perks that can be found on paper, I've also managed to take advantage of a couple other bonuses along the way using this card. There are opportunities to take advantage of up to 25% cashback on certain products throughout the year. However, on Prime Day specifically, or Prime Days, you can earn 6% back on every single Amazon purchase. Not only do you get promotions on Amazon's end, but you also get some on Chase's end too. For example, I got a 5,000 point offer just by using my Chase checking account to pay off the balance on the card before. You may even find Chase offers on this card so you can get higher earning cashback rates at certain vendors, although you don't get as many of these offers compared to Chase's native credit cards like the Freedom or the Sapphire cards. These also don't earn Chase's Ultimate Reward points, they earn Amazon points. So they are very limited in their redemption, as I mentioned earlier. The best redemption again is via cashback, so it pretty much is just a straight up cashback earning card. I also do find it sometimes confusing whether to go to Chase or to Amazon for a particular issue, but in general, if it's a credit card related issue, you probably want to be contacting Chase, unless it has something to do with getting your sign-up bonus via the Amazon gift card. Otherwise, there isn't really any downsides to this no annual fee card. So if you're interested in applying for this card, I'll put the link in the description. A good news is that recently Chase has removed the 524 rule for this card, so no longer do you have to be under 5 new accounts within the past 24 months to get approved for this card, which was definitely a cause of much anger to quite a few applicants who had previously tried to apply for this card. Nevertheless, I would still recommend that you have at least 2 years of credit history before applying and have a credit score above 700, above 750 ideally, with no derogatory remarks and not too many hard inquiries. For me, it pulled the Equifax credit bureau. Chase does tend to pull this particular bureau, so keep that in mind. But in conclusion, I think this is a fantastic card to get if you spend a lot at Amazon. You just want to make sure you take advantage of the full potential of this card by getting a Prime membership. And if you don't have a Prime membership now and you are considering getting this card, you'll want to check out my video, Reasons to Get Amazon Prime, where I broke down just how much value you're getting out of that particular membership. So definitely get this card if you want that 5% back. The 2% back categories just really aren't that attractive. There are definitely other cards out there that can do that for everything without being limited to categories.